Hi, I'm Tony Hansford, proprietor of H Engineering Motorsport in Tunbridge Wells. We restore, repair classic cars, classic racing cars from all over the country, in Europe as well as. I first got into classic cars and classic racing especially through racing motorcycle, grass track and speedway from when I left school when I was 16, 17, going on to do speedway professionally, and then onto modern Formula Ford, then classic Formula 3, Formula 2 and latterly classic Formula 1 cars. We've restored lots of classic racing cars over the years and fairly modern racing cars, from classic touring cars, Group 5 cars as you see here today at Goodwood, right up to latterly early 2000 F1 cars. And we're here today with this lovely, very important BMW X-Works factory 320 Group 5 car. The car was raced in period by Eddie Cheever in 1977, so some very good results. It's one of two cars from that year that are still around. The other one's in the BMW Museum in Munich. We restored this car roughly around 4.5 years ago with lots of help from BMW themselves. The car was in very poor state because it was found in Scandinavia and come to us with the wrong engine and had a really hard racing life through the years. And we've restored it today, as you can see, right back to its original 1977 specification. We're at Goodwood today at the 76 members meeting, racing the BMW in a fantastic Group 5 race, which has got together all the period Group 5 cars from our BMW M1s, 935 Porsches, 934 Porsches, the famous Moby Dick Porsche, right up to an IMSA Corvette, and all the cars that were raced in sort of the late 70s, early 80s in this fantastic spectacle race that we see today. If you would like your classic car, classic racing car, even vintage, pre-war vintage cars, we specialise in doing all that sort of thing. If you'd like it restored today, give us a call in Tunbridge Wells on 01892 549 042, or look it up on the web at classiccartunbridgewells.co.uk.